Hi everyone, so today we're going to make hand sanitizer and go over how to wash our hands. The purpose of washing our hands and using hand sanitizer is to kill the germs that are on our hands. What are germs? Germs are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Germs can live on surfaces, are airborne, and live inside living things. Germs can spread very quickly if not careful or take precautions. Germs can make us sick or get other people sick. First, we're going to make hand sanitizer. Second, we're going to go over and how to wash our hands. The items you're going to use to make your homemade sanitizer is a clean bowl. You can use any bowl you want to use. A spoon or a whisk to mix your ingredients. Measuring cups. A funnel, and a container to pour your hand sanitizer into. The two active ingredients we're going to use is aloe vera 100% gel. It's used for sunburn and dry skin. The second ingredient we're going to use is rubbing alcohol 70% or higher. And this is what kills the germs. Our measuring cups. So what I'm going to use is a 1/3. Okay, so let me show how 1/3 looks like. This is 1/3. So I'm going to use another cup so you guys can see the... Oh, this is also 1/3, but you guys can see the hand gel a little bit better, okay? Our clean bowl. Remember, you can use any bowl you want to use. A spoon or a whisk to mix your ingredients, but I'm going to use the whisk. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's get our hand gel, aloe vera. So we're going to pour it in here. So this is just pour it. Okay. See it right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and use my spoon to get it out into our bowl. Right here. Make sure you get all the hand gel out of here, much as possible, best you can. Okay. Next, I'm going to use our rubbing alcohol, as you can see. Now we're going to use it 2 times, okay? One, two. Okay. So just remember, when you're making this, you can use any measuring cup you want to use. So if you want to use a 1/2 cup, you can use 1/2 cup. Just remember, when you do that, you have to use 1 time of the hand gel, aloe vera gel, 1 time, and then 2 times of the alcohol, okay? Now I'm going to mix this. I'm going to use my whisk, so I'm going to move the camera so you can see. Mix really good to get all the little lumps out. Do your best to get the lumps out. pretty good, coming out pretty good. See how the lumps are kind of gone? That's what you want, like this. Alright, so just go ahead and clean this out. Move this to the side. So I'm going to put the camera back on me. Okay, now we're going to get our container. We're going to open this up. We're going to get our funnel. So when we pour this in, go really slow so it doesn't spill, okay? Best you can. There we go. Let's go really slow. Alright. Move our stuff right here. We're going to go ahead and close this off. Now, when you use our hand sanitizer, we're going to press down several times. And then we're going to rub our hands. You can go circular. And then go all over your hand. Rub all over your hand, alright? Until it dries off. So once your hands feel that they're dry, and then it should be good. Okay, my hands feel dry. Also, make sure this is also tight. Just double check it's tight. Okay. So now we're going to wash our hands. First, let's turn the water to warm. Next, we're going to use our soap. You can use liquid soap, which I'm using antibacterial, or you can use a bar of soap. Okay, first you can wet your hand, pour some soap into it, and then we're going to count 20 seconds. As we're counting 20 seconds, we're going to rub our hands, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's go ahead and rinse our hand. Make sure you take up all the soap off. Next, we're going to turn the water off and go ahead and dry your hands. So now we're going to wash our hands with a soap bar. So let's first turn on the water to warm. Let it warm up for 2 seconds. Let's go ahead and get our soap bar. Let's wet our hand and the soap bar together. Let's lather up our hand. Get a lot of soap suds in here. Make sure we get plenty of soap. Okay, now our hands are lathered up. So let's go ahead and rub our hands and count to 20 seconds, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So now let's rinse our hands. Let's make sure we get all the soap off our hands. Okay? Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and turn off the water and dry our hands. Okay, so remember, wash your hands first with soap and water. If you're unable to wash your hand, then use hand sanitizer as a last resort.